Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Canva and selecting Poster, or entering custom 24 x 36 dimensions. This saves layout time. Next, upload your logo and any 300 dpi images so you can position them without later quality loss. Then, set your brand fonts and color hex codes to lock consistent typography and palette across the poster. Once these prerequisites are in place, you can build confidently. Your assets and branding are ready, which prevents rework and keeps alignment accurate as you move forward. You now construct the poster layout using grids or 16th column guides to maintain visual balance. This prevents a cluttered look. Place your hierarchy clearly: headline largest, subhead smaller, body text readable, and CTA prominent. Then adjust sizes and spacing so the eye flows naturally. Use image masks and set transparency where images need subtle blending. Align elements with the snap and distribute tools to keep spacing consistent. Once done, step back and scan for rhythm. Good hierarchy makes your message immediate and readable. You finish by proofreading every word, checking bleed and safe margins, and previewing at 1/4 scale to verify legibility. When satisfied, export as PDF print with crop marks for printers, or choose PNG for digital uses. Make sure resolution matches your output destination. If colors look off, convert to CMYK or tweak color profiles before you export. That avoids surprises in print. If something goes wrong, recheck image, DPI, and bleed settings first, because those are the usual culprits preventing perfect output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.